Oh.
Dapat ano na lang sa mga paper right now. Satak ba? I don't know. Should I put on the top? Who wants star? Who wants cake? Cake. Okay. The spoon is over there. There, over there. There. Cake. Who wants cake? Chocolate cake. Okay.
This one is chocolate. This one is chocolate. I want chocolate.
Wow. There you go. Here we go. Okay, who wants? One?
Then,
Who wants cake? Guys, for coming. Cake. Ano ba? Sarap ba? Is it good? Wala pa. Hindi ka doon sa iyo eh. Okay. Babe, give them si ano? Si Minghao.
I have cherry.
No toothpaste. Yeah.
Kaya, uy, meron pang cake.
Yeah. You alright, Chef?
Meron pa? Meron pa katulong pa. Ay, pinadala niya sa okay, more cake. Gina, meron pa na? Meron pa na? Cookie full. Hello, more cake.
Jen, thank you. Rizal.
Wala pa naman. Ice cream cake. Ice cream. Oh. Hindi, ito rin katulad din sa'yo. Saan ito yung order? Kaya sa Agnes, Miss Marilyn. Yun ka na. Andiyan na the Agnes one. The Agnes. That's what? Is this? No, Agnes. Okay. That's the one we ordered. I guess he ordered it from them. Thank you, Faye. Thank you. I like your hair. Thank you. Nina's best friend. Hi, sweet Christina. Salamat ah. Thank you so much. Have you met Tama? Ay, you met Tama, right? Jennifer. Tama. Yeah, Tama. Meron ka na? Where are you from? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where are you from? Malaysia? No, Cambodia. 1 year. They're moving to Dubai. Oh, just 1 year in Dubai. Here. Nico, here. Okay. You want it? Wait, I'm sure I wanted you already. It's here, right? It's like ice cream. Yeah. Thank you. It's too big? Yeah, big. Because you gave a lot? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. You happy? So much? It's too big? Thank you.
That's nice. You eat a lot, you can win this stuff.
Drunk already.
But they haven't served dessert yet. They're bringing dessert right now. sorry.
Ay, ito din. Picture ba? Picture mo tayo.
Camera.
Ito kaya ano?
Camera. Foto? Ay, tala si Jen.
Ayan, nakata na kami nyo ah.